Let me be somebody to sit here and tell you the truth, right? And this is the stuff that you don't want to hear. You got to be able to sit out here. You have to be able to go in here and make the hard motherfucking choices. If you 18 years old, 19 year old, 20 year old, whatever the case may be, you are probably not going to know what it is you want to do with your life. And that's fine. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to get out here and fail, right? Get a mentor, have somebody show you the ropes, but you got to get out here and do the work and fail. See what you're good at, see what you're not good at. Because once you do that, then you can start building on some stuff. Don't sit here and try to expect to be at the top of the mountain at 18, 19, 20 years old. That shit don't happen for everybody. It takes hard work, dedication, and consistency to get anywhere in this fucking life. But if you want the shit right now, if you want it to happen like this, you want it to happen like that, then you're fucking wrong. You're fucking wrong. And that's all that is to it. Get off your ass and stop being lazy. Be patient, but don't confuse patience with laziness. Patience is saying, hey, I'm in this course right now. It's going to take me 6 weeks to finish it. That's patience. Hey, I'm in college right now. I'm working on my bachelor's. I'm working on my master's. I'm working on my PhD. It's going to take some time. Be patient. Your time is coming, but things are in motion. Patience is not saying, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Patience is saying things are already in motion. And don't talk to me about all my businesses and where I wanted to be. It takes businesses 5 years to start really seeing profit, to reap the benefits of what work you've been putting in, to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Years. So get your head out of your ass and get to work. If you have a business and you're still working a full-time job while you're trying to build your business, then guess what, buddy? Guess what? You're going to have to work hard. That's all it is. Don't sit here and tell me that you're broke. Especially if you ain't got no kids, no family, nothing like that. Use your 20s like they're supposed to be used. And if you can start in your teenage years, start in your fucking teenage years. Stop chasing women. Stop partying with the boys. You haven't earned that shit yet. Work 40 hours, 50 hours, 60 hours. You got no kids, you should be working 2 motherfucking jobs. Get the money you need to invest into some shit and quit playing with me. Stop it. But if that's not the life you want to live, if that's not the life you want to have, then don't fucking come to me talking to me about, oh, I want this, that, and the other when you been bullshitting and you broke and you ain't did shit about it. I mean it, man. Y'all gonna stop playing with me.